Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out in Audacity. So for example, we have here this one recording. If you would like to zoom in this audio, you need to select this one option. It is zoom in option. After that, your audio will be successfully zoomed in. It is really great option that I recommend you to use. Of course, then you will need to change position of your view to the left side to check your track. Remember that if you want to zoom out, you need to click on this one icon. It will let you to zoom out your view, so it really works. The second method to zoom in and zoom out is based on view tab, so we need to click on view. After that, we need to go to zoom, and here you need to select zoom in. But if you want to zoom it out, you need to go to view, you need to go to zoom, and then you need to select this one option, zoom out. And the last option is using shortcuts from your keyboard. So if you will press Ctrl and 1, you will get the same effect. And if you want to zoom out, you need to click Ctrl and 3 from your keyboard, and then view will be successfully zoomed out. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it was helpful for you.